Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw support and resistance levels in TradingView, an absolute must-know skill for anyone serious about technical analysis, whether you're day trading, swing trading, or just trying to get a better read on the markets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to identify those key price zones where markets have a tendency to bounce or reverse, potentially giving you stronger entries and exits on your trades. Let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to get the horizontal line tool on TradingView and set it onto your chart. You'll find this tool on the left-hand side toolbar. The icon looks like a simple straight line, and when you hover over it, it usually says horizontal line. Go ahead and click that. Now what you want to do is scan your chart for price levels that have acted as a floor or a ceiling in the past. Think of support as the floor where price tends to bounce upward, and resistance as the ceiling price struggles to break through. Once you spot those clear turning points, maybe from recent swing lows or highs, or places where price touched several times, just drop a horizontal line right at that level. Take your time with this part and zoom out a bit if you need a clearer perspective. Don't worry if your line isn't absolutely perfect down to the last decimal. As long as you're in the right price zone, you're capturing the psychological area where traders have reacted before. These horizontal lines give you a quick visual reference, instantly highlighting important price zones on your chart. Now, the next tool you'll want to grab is the trend line. On TradingView, that's usually the tool right above or below the horizontal line on the same toolbar, and it looks like a diagonal line at an angle. Go ahead and select the trend line. With this tool, you're going to draw lines that follow the natural highs or lows on your chart, but this time, instead of a flat line, you're following the tilt or direction of the market. For example, if you see a series of higher lows forming during an uptrend, draw a trend line that connects those lows. That's your dynamic support. Or if you're looking at falling highs in a downtrend, connect those for a descending resistance. Think of the trend line as showing you where buyers or sellers have consistently stepped in over time, but on a slant rather than just a straight level price. These lines help you spot the ongoing momentum in the market and where it might start to pause or reverse. Now let's take a moment to talk about why using the horizontal line and the trend line together is so powerful. Each type of line tells you a slightly different story. The horizontal line shows you those static zones of support and resistance, where price has reacted multiple times before. We're talking emotionally significant levels for market participants. The trend line, on the other hand, maps out the direction and strength of the general movement, letting you see if the crowd is mostly pushing upwards or downwards. When these two lines intersect, say, a trend line support coming up right into a horizontal resistance, that's like a crossroads on your chart and can often be a high probability area for reversals or breakouts. For example, if price is rallying up a trend line and suddenly hits a strong horizontal resistance, you might expect some hesitation or even a reversal at that spot. So using both tools in tandem gives you a much richer read on the market than using either one alone. It's like combining a map with a compass. The map gives you the landmarks, and the compass shows you which way you're moving. And that's it. Drawing support and resistance using both horizontal and trend lines in TradingView is a fundamental skill that can dramatically improve your chart reading and help inform your trading decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you've got any questions or you want to share your own tips about drawing levels in TradingView, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more step-by-step videos on trading, charting, and technical analysis, don't forget to hit subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.